iPhone SE 2 revealed the final name of the budget flagship. It seems that Apple has abandoned the idea to name the new smartphone iPhone 9. Apple in March should introduce a new budget iPhone. Sources claim that the company has two options for the name of the smartphone, iPhone SE 2 and iPhone 9. It seems that they chose the first option as the most logical. This became known from the manufacturer of accessories Totalle, who opened a pre-order for cases specifically for iPhone SE 2. The problem is that Apple in 2017 introduced two smartphones at once, iPhone 8 and iPhone 10. And it so happened that the ninth model was missed in the company's lineup. And at the same time there was a conditional budget iPhone SE, which was much cheaper than other models and did not belong to the main line of flagships. Therefore, the iPhone SE 2 sounds like a more logical name for the new inexpensive iPhone. After all, iPhone 9 and other names with only numbers refer to the flagships. According to rumors, the iPhone SE 2 will be an updated copy of the iPhone 8 with a 4.7-inch screen. The smartphone will have a physical home button with a Touch ID fingerprint scanner and large frames. Only the side frame of the smartphone will be made in the style of modern iPhones. And he will also receive a new Apple A13 Bionic processor and one main camera from the iPhone 11. The presentation of the iPhone SE 2 should be held in the second half of March. Apple has not yet officially announced the date of the presentation. And the budget iPhone will cost $399.